In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your 000WEBHOST website to a Hostinger domain. This process makes managing your website and domain much easier, and it's simpler than you might think. Start by logging into your Hostinger account using your email, Google, or Facebook. If you don't have an account yet, just follow the on-screen steps to create one. Next, do the same for your 000WEBHOST account. Sign in or create an account using your preferred method. Once you're logged in on both platforms, you have two main options. You can start from Hostinger, but I recommend working through 000WEBHOST because it gives a smoother workflow for this process. In 000WEBHOST, go to the website you want to connect and click Manage. From the dashboard, navigate to Tools and then Set Web Address. Here, you can either register a new domain or use an existing one. If you already have a Hostinger domain, select that option, and you'll be redirected seamlessly to Hostinger to complete the connection. Since both platforms are part of the same company, this integration is fast and reliable. Now, when connecting your Hostinger domain, you have two choices: Park Domain or Point Domain. Parking the domain uses 000WEBHOST's name servers and is the recommended method for most users, as it allows easy access to your website without changing name servers. Pointing the domain is for advanced users who want full control over DNS settings. For this guide, we'll park the domain. After selecting Park Domain, click Next. Make sure your domain is registered and configured with valid name servers, otherwise it won't function correctly. Then, copy your domain name and paste it into the Hostinger domain server field. Go back to 000WEBHOST, save the changes, and refresh the dashboard. Your domain is now connected to your website. With this setup, you can manage your hosting and domain from a single control panel. Enjoy optimized performance and simplify website management. And that's how you connect a 000WEBHOST website to a hosting domain. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.